to your website, go into pages, scroll down until you get to video devotions, and that's where I'm at right now. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom. The very last one that was uploaded, we are going to click on it once, well, or twice, till it gets highlighted like so. I'm going to use my right arrow so that my cursor is over to the right. I'm going to hit return once. Now it's ready to go. I'm going to go to the text section, go down to where you see the two LIs down here. This is where we're going to be pasting our new code. But before we do that, we're going to paste an old one. Kind of just an easy way to set it up. So I'm pasting that. As you can see, that is the old one that we have up here. I am going to highlight that and just leave it for a second. I'm going to go into where Peace Devotions are, and I'm going to go to one that has not been uploaded yet and click on it. I'm going to highlight and copy and go back onto your page, and I'm going to paste the new one on there. Let's check and see that it came out all right. And it did. And I'm going to hit update, and there you go.